Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing Mickey Mouse and the Roadster Racer thing.
We got this from, this is our little brother's present. Okay.
And he's doing stuff now. Half the time. So let's get right to it.
Okay.
Open up it.
Something. Okay, short, come on, rip it.
Open the box.
There, I got it.
You want it? Look. So yep, you got all this stuff. I can't see. Can somebody get like the oral instructions?
Yeah, just pass it to our mom.
Can I give it to me?
Get the car out.
Okay.
So
Okay. So first, you have to take this gray platform. Take this red card in front of the car. So in front of the red car. And then you place it down like this, and place it in the right hand. Yes, just like that. Okay.
ow!
Flip the thing. Yeah. Okay.
What's that?
Okay. Okay, you guys can see like this. Okay.
Can you guys see me?
Yeah, you can't. Okay, that's our little baby.
Yeah. Oh, whoa!
This is difficult. I don't know. Okay.
Let me get the card quick.
Get the
Let me
card.
get it quick.
Woo!
Here, to Mickey.
There you go. So,
Okay, then where's the green part? It's supposed to be.
there's not.
Or maybe it's yellow. Yeah. Then second, you take this
Yellow platform.
yellow platform like
See?
this.
Wait, let's show them how to put it.
Yeah, put it in. Okay, we got the back here,
And then you split the
and then shove it in later.
See that? We put it in quick.
Then there's these three.
Yeah.
Look at these three here. Three clicks.
Jim, this is the Jim.
Yes.
It's hey guys. And that's when we're supposed to put. Are we supposed to have this desk?
Okay, then you take this.
Oh no!
You put it like, and we're still in the back. Then
Amazon.
you put it right here.
Amazon.
Place it down there, and then you place this up here. Like
Get
that.
this is the
And then it
Amazon
goes in
thing.
like this.
Whoa!
You see it? Like that. And then, yeah, Carson, yeah.
Whoa!
Carson, he's like, helping me.
No, but I like this fun stuff. Look at it.
Then,
Look how long it goes. Look at it.
okay, this is
Look how long it goes. Look at it.
Yeah, it stretches. Okay. Then you take this.
Oh, well, now
You put it down here. There should be.
Here's my Mickey.
You put it in here. Make sure you get that snap. Always.
Now make sure you. If you don't hear the snaps, it might not stay in. Okay. So
There. Look, I have to go back and double check this. Yeah.
yeah,
There's snaps. Good.
yeah, it's good. It's good. Nice and clean. Alright, and it should be like a little weight.
Alright. Move. There should be another piece.
That's that. Oh, can I put it on? Can I put it on?
And then you put
Can I
this.
put it on?
Right.
I'm gonna put it on.
Okay, down. Just put it. Yes. Get in there. Okay. You guys can see. You're having some.
Then you put. If you hear like a little click, if you hear a little click, it should work.
And then this is an elevator. It's an elevator.
Next part is the unlock.
It's fine. Oh, you can add it.
So when you have this on,
It's an elevator.
I know the elevator. So it's supposed to go like this, and then, of course,
You know, magnets.
it's supposed to go like this thing. For some reason, I don't know. It's supposed to fix the car.
Okay. You forgot a part.
Get it. Sorry, there's a part right here.
Okay, then you take.
It's this little. Let me put that on.
Something.
I should go like
this.
I don't know what to do.
It goes over here.
Well, not bad. Let me put it on.
No, wait. Maybe. Wait. Oh, yeah. It goes right.
And actually here.
Okay. It goes this way. And you put this in.
Oh, sorry. If you look, okay, camera.
Right here, the desk. You see, I don't know. There's not really good lighting. Okay, then yes.
Oh, this.
My brother, he went way above. Like he went 16 times above. No.
Did you forgot something?
No.
Ah!
Oh, get off.
It's stuck.
Oh, come on.
It's
This is a mess up.
It's right. Don't you never do that. It's a little jammed. We'll get this off. Yep, it's stuck.
Okay.
Do you want me to help you?
It was supposed to go in here.
No, I'll do it. Here.
Yeah, parent help. Always required. Yeah.
Get me here, parent help.
Yeah.
Yeah, you always need parent help. Trust me. And Fortnite is the best game. Not to lie.
Yeah. Sorry, I tried to adjust the camera. Okay, you can get your face.
Yeah, he said that. Oh, I can't see myself. He said to adjust the camera,
Since
okay?
my mom is trying to get this off. She is taking forever.
Oh, finally.
She finally got it off.
Alright, so
It took like
this
20
was
minutes.
supposed to look like.
Okay, just back it up.
Back it up. Okay, it's my head.
Okay. Doesn't matter. Okay. Then we got this.
Stop the fat. That's the black piece.
Take your time. Bottom bomber.
Oh, I love that baby.
Oh wait. Then you take that.
Let's go like this. Just let me put this in quick.
Stop. Putting stuff in.
No, I know this where it goes.
Okay. I just need the phone. I just having some. Oh, it's already on.
He's having some physical issues.
No, I
I got a saw my brother's skin. You know what we like
Okay,
bones and
then
stuff?
then you take I need the camera.
Yeah, go get it right now.
Oh, let's bring it over to mom.
Ah!
Check it out. Sorry, it's just my little brother. Then you take this.
Baby can say that if he wants to.
No, just give me a room.
What's this?
Blah, blah, blah.
Oh, I see now. Okay.
What to do this?
Okay, yeah.
So that's like go down.
So the top will go right here. Right here on the top. So when that's you just snap it in. Really easily snap it.
Oh!
We got this. Okay. You have to stop playing with stuff.
But I love playing.
Fine.
Let me
Piece. You take this piece, and then Carson's, I don't know, doing something else. He has to give away this to do this. Okay.
Hey! Get on my view!
Okay, I'm just check.
Down my view.
Okay, got it.
This is the worst way to buy. Yeah, but it was done.
I am having very
Difficult issues.
difficulty.
Me too. This bin won't go in.
Carson,
What? Don't tell me it's the wrong way.
no, it is.
You're mean.
What's the problem?
Take it out. What is this? Then it fell off.
something upstairs.
Huh?
I don't know.
Alright.
I'm saying that this is fun.
Mm-hmm.
We are still on this. Okay. Wait, I found it. Maybe, please. Yes, I found it. Okay, good. Okay, yeah. And it just falls off like that. Okay. And it goes up. Okay, is it done? If you remember that piece that was on top there, you snap that in, and then you snap this piece that I just did, and just put the other piece back on, and then now this piece is not gonna go in. Oh wait. Okay, then
Is that what it's supposed to look like?
okay, now it's supposed to look like this. If you can see it, what Daddy is. What was that noise? I don't know. Oh, it's probably just our friends. Okay, let's go quickly. What? Okay. So we have
Get out of the way!
This is 8. Now, if you see, there's like a little bit of a wheel, maybe wheels. If you've seen, if you watched Making the Roadster Racers, I have, because the camera here watched it sometimes. That's how I know.
It's always on Disney Junior.
Okay, just gonna snap it in quick.
Can I see myself? I'm talking about in the video.
Just open the top up right now.
This better? Hi. There we go, right here. You guys still see it? Oh, good.
Come on, Jacob.
I don't know.
I don't know what you're doing, but I'm having fun.
Yeah, cause you're Okay.
Oh no.
Got it.
Oh, I think this was supposed to go in next.
Okay. No, of course you're so cool.
Oh,
You were right. Okay, never mind. Never say something until you watch it.
Na na, cabecito. Oh, you guys gotta see it. So, I'm a lost boy.
That's what you said, Jacob.
Oh,
Oh, there. Snaps. Then if you see the Mickey thing, that goes in, like 2 flags that goes in the Mickey thing. I don't know. Did I get that in the shot? Yes. Okay. Good.
and I think
Why am I taking over everything? Carson, what are you putting the last part? You put in the last part. He's gonna put
What's the last part?
The last part. Goes right here. Goes right here. Here. No, it goes right here. Okay, do you want me to put it in?
No, I want to.
Okay, it goes like that. There's a yeah. And then 2 buttons.
And it's supposed to do this. It's supposed to do this. If you pull this back, it's supposed to go like that, and you move the car.
Okay. Then
I want the car quick.
see him from
Oh,
inside.
and then
There are all those other little pieces there.
I'm gonna put it like and do like that. It's supposed to do that.
Then you might see all these little tiny pieces. These are just for
Decoration.
decoration. You just put them like
Come here.
some
Come here.
table. Yeah, table. Okay, that's good.
Put the car back on.
Okay, and then you have a bunch of stickers. I guess we're just gonna put it on.
No.
No.
No,
Okay,
wait,
we're gonna do the off film. You'll probably know where to put the stickers on. So, so that's the end of the video, guys.
Hope you guys enjoyed it. So see you guys by tomorrow.
Maybe I don't know.
So,
Bye bye.
Bye bye.